Hello everyone, welcome to the how to channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing us how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Over here at Instagram, you want to recover a deleted message. Now let's say I delete this message and then I want to recover it back. Now how do we do this? Now guys, first of all, you have to go to your Facebook. Now this is because both Facebook and Instagram, they are under Meta. Now they share one Meta account. And then go to your profile icon. You want to click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to scroll over to where you see your information. Now under your information, you're going to be tapping on download your information. Then I'm going to click on continue, and then it's going to take us over here, and then I'm going to be tapping on download or transfer information. Now this is one feature that I love about this. You are now able to choose which of your accounts you want to get your information from. As I'm just going to be unmarking the accounts that I do not want to get information from and leave my Instagram account that I want to be getting the information from, and then I'll be tapping on next. I'm going to tap on specific type of information because we don't want all the information on our Instagram account. Rather, we want to get the deleted message. So tap on that. And then over here, guys, you get to choose what you want to recover back. So I'm going to be tapping on message and I'll click on next. Now after that, you are going to choose if you want it downloaded to your device or if you want it transferred to your Google Drive. So I'll be leaving it at downloaded on device and I'll click on next. And then guys, at the date range, you can choose how long you want to get the information from. So I can choose last week, last month, in 3 months, 6 months. Whatever you want to get your data from, that is where you should be choosing. So I'm just going to leave it at last week and then I'll save. And after doing that, you can see the format of the file over there is going to be at HTML, and you can see it's going to be notified on my email address. Then I will just tap on create files. Information you requested is being prepared for download. Now this is because we actually wanted to download it to our device. Now you just want to wait a while and Facebook is going to notify you when this information is ready for you to download. All you need to do is to go back and click download so it downloads to your phone. Now guys, this is how you can recover deleted messages on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the how to channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.